about a sneeze. We all know that sneezes are very nasty because whenever a bacteria or a germ enters your body, your brain fires up a defense mechanism. And then air pumps up in your lungs, it comes out very fast, and then achoo, all that slime and snot and stuff comes out. But that's a good thing because we got all the bacteria out of us. But now if we held it in, all that snot and disgusting stuff is going back down your throat. And that's how people get sick. But it's just like your dreams. You have to release your dreams. Put them out in the world. And then people will say, it's amazing. If you hold in your dreams, you become sick. You become stressed because you feel like, you're not accomplishing anything. But that's why it's important for you to let it out. Just like a sneeze. Don't wait long enough until you get angry. Don't wait long enough until you get frustrated and you say, man, I'm not doing anything. It takes consistency. It takes dedication. It is going to get annoying sometimes. It's going to get very annoying. But I want you to remember why you started your dream. And I want you to let that drive you and push you for the rest of your life. And I never want you to hold it in. Show other people your greatness. Show them that you're amazing. Show them that you're powerful. No matter what anybody says, you are great. You are special. You are amazing. Keep pushing. Keep going because you never know how great you may be. Not you.